I'm Mark and I'm here at IBC 2018 on the Creative Solutions booth, and I'm here showing the new Teradek RT wireless follow focus system. So we have a new single channel hand unit with full lens mapping features, which is now available. We also have new motors available. So this is the old motor, and we now have these motors available, which are twice the speed and twice the torque as our original motors. We also have buttons to be able to quickly control which axis this is on, so focus, iris or zoom, as well as daisy chainable ports as well, which is really, really handy. This is actually available now also. So we're also showing a completely new product which will ship later this year, called the ACI, so the Assistant Camera Interface. So this actually gives RED users the ability to control the camera in a completely different way. So you don't need to use the touch screen on top of the camera. You can actually set this up however you need, and it actually gives you a form factor which is actually very similar to the Panavision DXL camera which we have here. So there are 3 versions of this available. So there is one version which just goes on the camera, and it doesn't have any antennas or any motor ports. It just gives you control of the camera on the side of the camera. However, then this one's available, which has 1.5 kilometer wireless range, as well as 3 motor ports to be able to connect your Teradek RT wireless follow focus system. So this actually then would replace the receiver on camera to double up as not only a lens control system, but also a full camera control system also. The last addition to this is actually the RF version, and this gives you the same control, the same camera control as the on-camera version, except you have 1.5 kilometer range. So thanks for your time. If you have any questions, please go to rt.teradek.com.